Though your initial build can be whatever, but then there is maintaining the app, running the app, upgrading it. There is a lot of things that you have to do ongoing to improve your software and make sure that everything runs smoothly. Some example there are cloud hosting is a cost that normally you're able to put under control after the first 3 to 6 months. But then if your operation and your application scales, that cost is going to go up as well. So it's a cost that you're always going to have ongoing. There is security updates, vulnerabilities, code. A lot of the software development is based on open source software. So, there's people writing great open source software, but it's also people trying to hack that software to get into systems. So there's always vulnerabilities that come out on a daily basis. So keeping up with those, especially with critical in certain type of businesses, is very important, and that can add up quickly on the cost, on your maintenance cost. And then if you have mobile apps like Android or iOS apps, anytime there is an operating system upgrade, you need to upgrade your apps, because they always bring in new features, new security. So that works that needs to happen as well on an ongoing basis. Normally once a year, you definitely want to upgrade them. You don't want to stay too behind, because then you might find yourself there, you're too behind and you have to spend a lot of time doing an upgrade. In general, if we're dealing with applications that they are regulated, we do software upgrades every 6 months just to stay on the latest version and with the least amount of vulnerabilities. And then the other thing is user features. As people start using your app, you maybe, you build something and you were sure that their user was going to have a certain flow of using the app, and then you realize that a feature that you didn't give too much importance to becomes actually your number one feature on the app. And so maybe that needs more work, more improvements, upgrades, things like that. So it's hard to tell, but that happens quite a lot, especially when you're doing your first MVP, and if they haven't done a lot of user testing of the design of the app beforehand, before building it. So trying to make sure that what they're building is what people are looking for, you end up doing a lot of that as well.